Several areas in the city received a fresh spell of rainfall as the state of Telangana continues to see the warning for more showers in the coming days. Accompanied by gusty winds, a yellow alert has been sounded in the Hyderabad, Jagityala, Kumaram, Mahbub Nagar, Medak, Nalgonda, Siddipet, and Rangareddy, among others. According to IANS, the river flowing through Khammam town was in a danger zone. Another warning would be issued if the water level reaches 24 feet. The IANS reported added, Khammam district collector ordered the closure of roads in all flood affected areas. The water level in the Munneru rose to 16 feet on Sunday, and the authorities issued the first warning signal and shifted people from flood affected areas to relief camps.